Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your shopping cart on the Efootwear application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the shop icon down below, which is the second option. Then you should select from these categories first, and then there are going to be subcategories. So tap on the relevant one that you prefer. Choose an item that you would like to purchase. Click on it, and then you should choose your size. If you are not sure, tap on the size chart icon and you are going to see the size chart. Then tap on the add to cart button down below. Now this product has been added to the bag. If you want to check it out, tap on the go to bag icon. Here, if you have a discount code, you can use it by typing it in and then pressing the button use. If you want to proceed, tap on go to checkout. Here you need to select your payment method, but first you need to add your personal details. You need to select whether you are a private person or you purchase for a company. Then add your name, phone number, street number, postal code, and your city as well as your country. After that, you should tap on the go to choice of delivery methods. Then you will be required to choose your method of delivery and then method of payment, and then you will be able to purchase your product. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.